Good morning, dear students. I hope that you are fully well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mustaq Ahmed Choudhury, Senior Teacher, Farah Secondary School, Dhamalia, Dumuria, Khulna. Dear students, from the very long time we were out of our class for the killing virus COVID-19. In spite some of problems, our present government has set up some rules for taking online class for all the students so that student can get benefit from this online class. From this perspective, I am conducting a class especially for the students of class 6 in subject English second paper. Before going to my topics, I want to give you some suggestion. Dear students, listen to me minutely. As we are passing idly at our home, for this reason, we have to keep free from all kinds of problems, pollution and noisy movement. Now come to my class. Dear students, before going to my main topics, I want to give you some common idea about my class. So my topics I have set off, or I have decided to receive parts of speech. Today my selected topic is parts of speech. You know that how many kinds of parts of speech. We know that noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. It is the kinds of parts of speech. But what is part of speech? Part means separation part of a sentence. When it will be very easy if I write a sentence, look at the board, I go to school. Dear student, I go to school. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there are 4 words. I go to school. So, dear students, all the words are parts of this sentence. So, it is part of this sentence. Dear students, already I have written the name of parts of speech, but the main topics today is kinds of verb. Dear students, I want to teach you how many kinds of verb in general. Sorry, there are many classified or classification of verbs. But today, especially, I will teach you kinds of verb. Kinds of. Dear students, look at the board. Actually, mainly there are 2 kinds of verb. Number 1, principal verb or main verb. Then auxiliary verb. So now, how many kinds of principal verb? There are 2 kinds of principal verb: finite verb and non-finite verb. Finite verb and non-finite verb. So how we will find out finite verb, or how we will understand which is finite verb? Dear student, look at the board. Dear students, he goes to school every day. Dear students, look at the sentence. Here I have written he goes to school every day. Here goes is a verb. Goes is a verb. So what kinds of verb? It is a principal verb. It is a principal verb. Or it is a finite verb. It is a finite verb. And I am writing also a sentence. He goes to school to learn. To learn knowledge. To learn knowledge. Dear students, here I have also written He goes to his school to learn. Here goes is finite verb and to learn is non-finite verb. So very beginning of my class I told you that there are two kinds of principal verb, finite verb and non-finite verb. Goes is a finite verb and to learn is non-finite verb. So what is the cause for non-finite verb? Because learn is also a verb, but before learn we have set off a to, so it is non-finite verb. Dear students, on the another side